amazing to be in the kitchen, guys, giving you a favorite recipe. You know what I mean? You name it, you claim it, guys. It's just amazing to be in the kitchen. But anyway, today we're going to get straight to the point. Remember, 2 days ago, we marinate the chicken, the fried chicken recipe. Someone written on the bottom of the YouTube channel says, Chef Ricardo, I want to see how you're going to fry that chicken. It's a lot of chicken. And guys, and I'm going to show you how you can fry a large portion of fried chicken at home. Like, you know what I mean? You're cooking for like 150 people. But I'm going to show you the easiest way the best way is to organize yourself. Once you organize yourself, you can't go wrong, guys. If you want to do like a function or a christening or a birthday party at home, this is the way how you're going to do it. Get to the point, nail it, and you know. So guys, hopefully you will enjoy it. And also remember, get a copy of the cookbook 50% off. And also you can donate to the YouTube channel. We got a lot more stuff coming out. But we're just going to show you how to fry a large portion of chicken. I did get the request of how to marinate a large portion of chicken at home. I did the stew chicken and I did the fried chicken. The guy said to me, they want me to do a large portion also of curry chicken. But I'm not going to do that one. I'm definitely going to show you how to do that one. And even the curry goat, them requested curry goat. So it's just like for people who want to do a large function, a big function, how to organize yourself and get things done the right and proper way. We love you. Thank you so much. Enjoy my recipe. Enjoy my cooking show. We got a lot more stuff coming out for you guys. A lot more. Never too much. We just keep putting them up, guys, because every day we get a new subscriber to the channel and they want to see what we have. Thank you so much. Me and the team working very hard. See you next time. Bye-bye. Nice and lovely. So guys, what I want to simply say to you, this is the chicken which we marinated 24 hours ago. Right here I have some egg. Then this is 6 and 6, 12. 12 plus 2 more inside of this. 6 and 6, 12, 13, 14 eggs. We're going to use 14 eggs on one of these. Right over here I have some plain flour. And this is the way Chef Ricardo do it. And normally I just pour the plain flour straight inside of it like this. Then I have an original fried chicken mix, which I'm gonna mix it with some plain flour. So basically, you will see exactly, just to see, make you guys see what's going on right here. So I'm gonna pour the original fried chicken mix with the flour. The flour which I'm using is, let me tell you how much grams is 1.25 kilograms of flour, which is just a pack of flour. And I'm gonna pour this on it just like this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna be using half of it because I don't know if it's gonna be too much or I might have a few pieces which is gonna be needed more flour. So what you need to do is just mix it up together, break all the eggs, rub it in this one right here, and then we're gonna mix it through. So I'm just gonna break my egg and then I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about with this right here, guys. All right, nice and lovely. So right here, guys, I can see this is the egg. Let's give it a simple beat. Pour it all over the chicken just like this. Normally with a separated egg, but you know me, it's a lot of chicken. Simple, use this fork and just give the flour a mix. Nice and lovely. Then second thing we don't normally do now is put on the gloves and give it a nice lovely mix just like this, guys. That's what you want to get. You want to get all of these chicken egg wash. That's the most important thing. Once you egg wash it, you're good to go. Lovely. Second thing is you can always once it egg wash, Dip it straight in the flour. Give it a shake off and simple put it down just like this. And I want to simply say to you, sometimes they flour it and then egg wash it and then fry it. Alright? But we just do it this kind of way, which is a little bit more easier for you guys. Yep, nice and lovely. As you can see, exactly what is taking place right here. Lovely. So we're going to do all of the chicken just like this. But what I'm going to show you next now is this. I'm always using gloves, which is very important. That's the chicken right over there. And as you can see, egg wash the chicken. Then place it straight inside of the flour. And then right here, just lay it straight inside of a pan like this. Here I have some oil in the pot right now at the moment. I have it on probably about 20 minutes now. So on a medium sized heater, probably getting hot. Quarter pots of oil, and that's what we're gonna do. Now we're gonna show you how to fry the chicken. All right. Nice. So roughly my oil is supposed to get hot now at the moment. So basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna taste the oil and see how hot it is. Now I'm gonna let us pop a little bit of flour in it. Yeah, oil is ready. Turn on my stove a little bit. And what I'm gonna do now is put in these few pieces in it just like this. Like this. Like this. Like this. And then what I do now, I do a few more pieces. So when I'm frying my chicken otherwise, but because of kids this one, I don't want to put too much pepper and stuff in it because I don't want it to be getting too spicy and the kids them not gonna enjoy it. Because it's just like a birthday party. 50 people, so that's it. But I know you guys will love this one because it's really simple, easy, and nice. And some people, they cover it when they fry their chicken, but it's fine. Once you know what you're doing, you'll be alright. And I know you guys will love this one. Very, very nice and lovely. So basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna make that fry for roughly about a nice good 15 minutes on a medium size heat. Lovely and nice. So you're just gonna make that fry for a nice good 15 minutes, then we're gonna look at it and see it look. Lovely. Nice and lovely, guys. As I can see, exactly what's going on right here. So as they reach that nice, lovely goldish color, what you're looking for, then you know that your chicken is going to be ready. But you need to get that lovely brownish color. So I'm going to fry all of them and then going to have that lovely brown color. So hopefully you will just enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel and leave in your comments, guys. It's a brilliant recipe. I just finished the chicken, guys, and as I can see how beautiful the chicken is, that's really fantastic. So hopefully you will enjoy it, guys, and just, you know what I mean, it's just really nice and it's just very easy and simple to prepare. But as you can see, I fried the chicken. So hopefully, guys, will just enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We got a lot more recipe coming out just like this. So you see how to fry a large portion of fried chicken for a function. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye-bye.